Welcome, and thank you for joining us for our overview of our portal solution for Microsoft Dynamics CRM. In today's demo, we'll be taking on the persona of Jim Glynn, an employee of Fabricam who is a customer of Contoso. We will also take on the persona of Matt Smith, a support engineer for Contoso. Contoso is a software company. Fabricam uses Contoso software, and Jim is having some issues with the Contoso software tool. Jim has come to the Contoso customer portal to get assistance with his issues. Jim will start by logging into the portal, and as you can see, he's met with a very clean and inviting user interface. The tile-based navigation is very intuitive and allows Jim to locate the areas of the portal that he's interested in quickly and easily. The top-level navigation allows Jim to move from module to module seamlessly. He also gets nice HTML content that explains each module, news that's happening within Contoso, recent discussion activity, and also upcoming events or webinars that he might be interested in. In the top right corner, Jim sees his profile and setting information. Jim's able to edit his contact information, which will update CRM in real time. The form used for this contact update is actually driven from a form in CRM and can be changed simply by configuring the form in CRM, saving and publishing the changes. Jim can also update his photo, change his password, subscribe and unsubscribe to marketing lists in real time within CRM, and also sign out from the portal from within the settings area. Jim is having some issues today with his software after his recent upgrade. Jim will begin by going to the discussion board and posting a question about the problem that he's having. The discussion board is a topic-based discussion that allows Jim or any other user to post and reply to topics within these topic groups. Jim's able to post his post and attach any files. Other users who are following this group will be notified that Jim has posted a topic to the group. This can include internal CRM users. All posts are created as activity records tied to the contact that posted them and show up in the activity wall within CRM. If we go to Jim Glynn's contact record in CRM and click on the activities area, we'll see the posts created by Jim Glynn, and this also shows up in the post wall for Jim Glynn. This allows easy access to the discussion post from within CRM and the ability to respond from within CRM. Jim's going to follow his own discussion post so that he gets a notification when any replies have been added to his post. While Jim's waiting for a reply, he's going to check out the knowledge base to see if this issue is a known issue. We'll search for upgrade, and as you notice, we see a topic in the knowledge base related to software not loading after the upgrade. The keyword search searches the title, the subject, the keywords, and the body of the article, along with the article ID number. Jim's able to click into the article and see the information. After upgrading to version 2.1, your software will no longer load. Download the attached hotfix and apply the hotfix to address your issue. And as you can see, Jim's able to download that attachment right from the knowledge base. While this looks like a similar issue to what Jim is having, he realizes after reading that this is related to version 2.1 of the software. He's running version 2.3. This hotfix will not work to fix Jim's problem. Based on that, Jim decides it's time to open a support case with Contoso. Contoso uses a prepaid incident type of support. So first, Jim checks his entitlements, and he sees his prepaid incidents, and he notices that he has 10 remaining cases that he can open. Knowing that, Jim decides to open a case. The case entry form, like the profile form, is driven by a form in CRM. Making change to this form is as simple as configuring those changes on the form in CRM using the built-in CRM form editor and saving and publishing those changes. Jim is able to put in the information about his case and even attach files such as screenshots, videos, trace files, or any other type of file that's available. We'll go ahead and create the case which creates the case in real time within Dynamics CRM. We'll now take over as Matt Smith within CRM, and we've been notified that a new case has been entered into CRM. We'll navigate to our list of cases. We'll search for the new case, software crashes after 2.3 upgrade. We can open this case within CRM and see all of the details that were entered by Jim through the customer portal. Software crashes after 2.3 upgrade, and the software will not load after upgrading to version 2.3. We're able to interact back and forth by adding new case notes to the portal. Matt Smith is able to enter his response and save it. This will not actually surface the response to the portal until it's marked complete. This allows Matt to research the issue and send it to the portal when he's ready. We now see in the activity feed Matt's response to Jim's original question. If we come back to the portal and reload the case as Jim Glynn, we'll see the response from Matt Smith. We will also receive an email of this response so that we know that the case has been updated. Jim is able to update the case back and add his note. Again, a notification is sent to Matt within CRM to let him know that a new case note has been entered by the customer. And if we refresh the case in CRM, we'll see the case note within the activity feed, and we're able to view that note. Now, Matt's a great support engineer and is able to find a hotfix very quickly and return that to Jim. Matt saves the note and attaches the hotfix file to the note. Once attaching the hotfix, Matt marks this as complete, and again, Jim receives a notification and the portal is updated with his new hotfix. He's able to download the hotfix directly from the portal and apply it. Luckily, this worked great for Jim and fixes his issue. He can now let Matt know. He can add the note and close the case right from the portal. While Jim's on the portal, he would also like to look at open cases or past cases that he may have had. He's able to filter and see the list of open, closed, all cases, his cases, or cases from Fabricam, also based on the case category and keyword searches. So he can find and review old cases to try and solve problems again that he may have had in the past. While on the portal, Jim decides he'd like to look at the upcoming webinars and decides that he would like to register to attend the Contoso overview that's coming up for the new version 2.5 that's coming out soon. He's able to go to the list of upcoming webinars, view the information, which is editable within CRM, and easily register to attend this event. This registration is captured within CRM, and workflows are triggered that send emails to not only the internal team within Contoso letting them know that a new event registration has been entered, but also to Jim confirming his registration and even sending him a reminder email when the webinar is getting close. Before signing off, Jim goes to the Public Documents area to download documentation. This utilizes the SharePoint integration between the portal solution and Microsoft's SharePoint solution and surfaces documents found in SharePoint, such as the administrator guides. This can be set up to use any SharePoint site, subsite, or document library, and uses the folder structure within the SharePoint document library to show these documents on the portal. These are also searchable and can be searched by different keywords, extensions, or other types of metadata. Jim downloads the version 2.1 guide that he's looking for and saves that to his computer. Jim is now done with his portal session and signs out. After signing out, Jim realizes he never went back and updated his discussion post to let people know that his issue had been resolved. He's already left the office, so Jim decides he's going to log in through his phone and update his discussion post. The portal solution is completely responsive, allowing Jim to access it from any device, from a phone to a tablet to a desktop or laptop computer, and providing the same rich, unique user experience. Jim goes to the discussion board, sees his post, and replies to his own post. He posts his reply, which updates the discussion board and shows as a reply. Great! Jim is done on the portal for today and signs out. One of the common requests that Contoso gets from users of its portal is to allow them to update and manage the address information for their company accounts. Contoso decides to add this functionality to the portal using the custom module builder within the portal solution. We navigate to the portal modules and create a new module. We'll call this Address. We choose module type of custom and decide to show this on the menu using the address icon from the icon library. We save our record and then open the module builder that comes with the portal solution. We set our plural name, in this case addresses, and we choose the entity that we'd like to expose through the portal. In our case, the address entity. This could be any system or custom entity within the system. Once we select the entity, we're able to choose the form and the view that we would like to use from within Microsoft Dynamics CRM to surface data through the portal. In this case, we'll use the information form and the all customer addresses. It's our recommendation that you would actually create a specific form and view for the portal. We like to call them web portal or portal to keep it clear as to which views are for what. We also then decide how we want to filter the data. In this case, we're going to filter at the account level, meaning the logged in user is able to see all of the address records for their account and use the filter field parent ID, which is allowing us to say that the logged in user should see all addresses where their account is the parent ID of the address. We want to allow them to create records, update records, view records, and list records. We can also enable notes and attachments, workflows, and if the SharePoint CRM integration is involved, allow them to view and upload SharePoint documents as well. We'll save these changes to our module and add the module to our portal configuration record. We'll now run our Publish Portal Changes workflow and allow that to update the portal with its new configuration settings. While we wait for the portal changes to publish, we'll also add this new module to our portal security role. In this case, we're utilizing the power user role. In a production environment, you would likely have multiple roles for different types of users. We simply add a portal privilege to the new module that we created, in this case, the address module, and you'll notice it automatically pulls in the permissions that we set at the module level: create, update, and read. I can save that portal privilege, and when next time Jim Glynn logs back into the portal, or any user with that role, he sees the address module. This allows him to manage the addresses for his parent company based on the records and views and forms that are in CRM. can save the record in real time, and that's now tied to the Contoso account. And if we look at the list, we see that address record within the list. The module builder is extremely powerful and can be extended to provide additional functionality, such as executing on-demand workflows and subgrids within the modules that can be managed for data. We hope you've enjoyed this overview of our portal solution for Microsoft Dynamics CRM. Please visit our customer and partner portal for additional videos that go into more detail on each of the individual topics that have been discussed.